Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Capcut template not showing on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, update your TikTok app. If your app is not updated, maybe it doesn't have all the latest features and functions. When you update the app, open it and scroll through the video. If you can see the button, go to the search bar and type Capcut template. And in here, you will find a lot of videos with different templates. When you open a video, you will see a Capcut Try This Template button. So tap on it, and this will open the template in Capcut, and you just need to select a photo or video from your gallery. Capcut will automatically create a video for you. You can export it now and share it on TikTok. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.